you guys will see for yourself. This is like a miracle cream. Like, you guys need to get this. Look. Like, you're telling me it's like other products, like that's literally the only thing I tried, so I can't speak to anything else. So just go buy that. Don't take, like, you know what I'm saying, don't take any, don't take unnecessary journeys.
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads, and don't swim in the sea.
I don't remember how it goes, but yeah, just buy this. But I'm assuming that since this works so well, I'm assuming that there are other stuff would work well too. I mean, I'm about to wash my hair today. I've been putting it off for a couple of days because it's just life. It's not dirty, it's just not washed, but like it has built up product in it, so it's like, you know, just needs to be clean. So hey everyone, it's Nico. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know, you guys read the title, it's wash day, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course, you know, subscribe. I want to wash my hair today, and I'm going to show you guys what I do. Now let me make this be known and be clear. Unless I tell you that this is my favorite product, don't take it as I use this product all the time, because I just like try different things. Follow me on Instagram at ANIQXEE. This is my hair before I wash it. A lot of build up product in it, and yeah, I guess I'll take it out so you guys can see, but it's like,
Two hours later.
my hair right after I shower. You know, like after your shower when your face gets like super dry. Yeah, so you guys saw what my hair looked like wet right out of the shower. Now you guys see my hair looks like literally 2 minutes later. I didn't even do anything, didn't touch anything. I just probably I just towel dried it a bit, because I felt like there was misunderstandings about my hair type in my last video. I feel like I have 4B and 4C hair, because the front half of my head is different than the back half of my head, but you guys don't really get to see the back half of my head. Like, I don't know, it's thicker than the front. See what happens. This is why I have to work with my hair when it's like wet, because wait 2 minutes and it decides what style it wants to be. So I co-wash my hair with On Jackie. This is like a staple product that I normally have. It's like done. I need to go get another one. I will. Shampooed my hair. I shampooed my hair with this. It's Marc Jacobs. It's Marc Anthony's 100% coconut oil and shea butter repair hydrating shampoo. This is not like the shampoo I use all the time. I feel like I've tried a lot of different shampoos and conditioners, and I just don't think I have a favorite. I need to find something that suits my hair, but I don't know. When it comes to shampoos and conditioners, I just kind of use whatever. I don't know. Don't ask me when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. I don't know. Anyway, but this. Let me show you. Oh wait, hold on. I got ahead of myself. I'm forgetting something. After I wash my hair, I will go in with the leave-in conditioner. And right now my favorite leave-in conditioner is Quenched. It's like not heavy. A lot of leave-in conditioners are heavy. At the end of the day, when there's too many products and build up in your hair, and depending on the ingredients in the products, it's gonna flake. Depending. This is like really light. Like it's like almost like water. I don't know. It's just really light, so it doesn't build up as much. It's just because I feel like, I don't know if this actually works. Alright, it's like their eye repair cream. I need to do a skincare routine video that will be coming up soon, someday soon, like for real, but I should even go like wet it again. I'm gonna go wet it, and I'll divide it into 4 sections. With each section, I'll put like a hair tie on it. I'll use a hair tie to hold it like stretched out while wet. I guess you could braid it, but like sometimes I just feel like this stretches it better than braiding, because I'll put it in a braid, a plait, whatever, and it will still shrink. This, like, it just holds it a little bit better than a braid. I start with the back and then work my way to the front. I take leave-in conditioner. Oh, of course it's not open. Okay, I feel like you can literally even see. It's like water almost. I put that on my hair. Now it's like this when I put the leave-in conditioner. After that, I put oil. I had to get argan oil. So, of course it's not open. Oil and water don't mix. So all this moisture in my hair from the leave-in conditioner, the oil will act like a seal. The next product I'm about to use is my new favorite product, guys. But before I put that in my hair, I need this to kind of like dry in it. I'm gonna like braid it down like that. These two are done. Now I can take these down. Be careful when you're doing this because it's like you don't want to get your hair knotted. See? There. See that? You just have to be careful when you're putting these hair ties in your hair because you'll lose hair. Hair tie. It's not even a hair tie. It's a hair loss. Like the leave-in conditioner. This smells so good. Like, again, I'm using argan oil. I normally use coconut oil. I'm gonna braid it. Because my hair gets really dry. Like, you don't have to do this. Like, it will get dry and it will just not be good. If your hair doesn't get dry, don't worry about this part. Like, then you're good. I told you guys, I like to try new things. I like to try new products. When I bought this, babe, when I bought this Twist and Define cream with coconut oil and vitamin E by TGIN. Thank God it's natural. You guys will see for yourself. This is like a miracle cream. Like, you guys need to get this. Like, just get it. It smells good. Reminds me of, I don't know, like peach or like maybe hibiscus. I don't know. Take this. You don't even have to take a lot. Like, I'm probably just gonna take like this. I want you to see what it does to my hair. So this is the back, right? I'm putting it on it, right? No comb, no gel, no brush, just the product. And I want you to see. I'm not even done. I'm not even done. I need to get back here, but this. Look. Like, you're telling me this wasn't. This is literally the. Like, stop what you're doing. Go in my description. Like, this will be the first link. Like, this will be the first thing there. Even if you don't have shampoo, like, just buy this. Like, and this isn't even sponsored. It should be. I just don't think there's much talking left to do. This much, like, has a whole bunch of hair and stuff on it, but like this much. If you have any type of curly hair, I don't care if it's A, B, C, D, or E, get this product. Like, stop what you're doing and go buy this. Like, literally go buy it. Because this right here, I can never actually give this gel up. This is the only gel that works for me. Every single time you're gonna hear me say it. It's not necessary at this point because this product like is good on its own. This will probably get frizzy by tomorrow or something. I don't know. I never tried it, like leaving it out. So I'm just gonna put a little gel on my hands and go over it. The OGs that watched my first video and watching this video, thank you, because you'll remember me taking the gel and taking the gel and you know, if this doesn't work for you, you actually have to let me know, because TGIN got the code. They got the code. I should read the ingredients because there's no way. Like, water, coconut oil, soybean oil, PVP. They didn't put what PVP stands for. It's probably the PVP. This is like, are you guys crazy? You guys are crazy. No, I'm gonna take pictures after. I'm gonna take pictures after this. TGIN. Just put it on my hair. Just a little bit. Some people might understand, but like, products don't do this. Like, or maybe I just never came across products that work like this, but products don't just get it right the first time. Like, I haven't actually tried it as like a twisting cream, and if it doesn't work for you, just send the rest to me. because I will use it then. But anyways, last but not least, you guys already know, put just a little bit so it just doesn't get like frizzy. And that, oh, it's my hair. Look. I hope it's focused. And that concludes my wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.